Fucking powerful, yeah. Hello traveler, and welcome back to yet another review of collectibles from World of Warcraft. Today we have a different and a special day. Quite blue day, if you want to go that far. And that is because, my friend, we are looking at the unboxing of a statue from World of Warcraft, Arthas Menethil, son of Arthas Menethil II. Let's go! Arthas Menethil, this is an honor. I will not go into the lore, not yet, because that is going to happen in the second video in this series. Number one video is today, we're looking at the unboxing of the statue. Number two, we will look at the lore of Arthas Menethil, everything from his days of a young paladin, from how he became a paladin, how he became a death knight, and his death. Third video is going to be the full in-depth review of this statue. So let's get started with the unboxing, shall we? I will this time not stand up because this is small enough to measure it as it is. The box in itself is 39 centimeters high or tall, 37 centimeters wide, and 27 centimeters deep. A beautiful presentation over here. If we look at the front, it's quite heavy, quite hefty. The front here has the Warcraft 3 logo on it. Of course, it's Arthas. That's where we learn about him. And with the Arthas down here, check this out. There's a nice landscape over here, which continues to the side, where we see the Frostmourne. Or should we go all in here? Let's go all in here. Let's go all in here. Here you can see the three versions of the Frostmourne. Cardboard Frostmourne, toy Frostmourne made of iron, and big boy Frostmourne made of stainless steel. 3.7 kilos of beautifulness and rawness. By the way, if you want to see the full review of this sword, I have a video out now with everything about this sword. The lore, there's about the physical size, dimensions of this sword. Everything is available in that video. So go check that out. Okay, let's unbox this thing. Very first thing you get, this instruction manual. It's just one-sided. This instruction manual tells me about the three components of the statue. We have a base, we have Arthas, and we have the Frostmourne. And this is kind of an interesting. No, I'm not gonna say that now. I will say that in the lore video because it's an interesting period we are looking at in this statue here. But let's take it out of the box. A good classic flamingo box for Arthas here with the Blizzard logo at the top and, you know, tape all around. Let's use Frostmourne to remove that tape. There is only one way I can do the unveiling of this statue, and that is
by changing my voice and my identity. Let's do this.
my friend Arthas Menethil, the statue. I'm wondering if I should keep this on while telling the story of the lore. Okay, let's place this out of the way and start discussing. This is the base. Not that heavy, actually, and nicely looking. I will go into the details with this when I make the full statue review, but check this out. Quite nice, quite nice. By the way, his earlier hammer is over here. I'll do some b-roll of that for next time. Oh, his tome as a paladin. Oh, this has nice details. This has nice details. Cool. This is the base. Really nice. Next part. Arthas himself. Here he is. A really nice aspect. I didn't think I would enjoy this. Can I blow through the Helm of Domination? Yes. Let's place Arthas in here. A nice fit. Oh, this is magnetic. Thank you. Thank you. Beautiful paint. Beautiful paint. I love it. I didn't think I would enjoy it that much. And a bent Frostmourne. Guys, check this out. Is it the immensity of the souls that he destroyed? Okay, Arthas, do you want my own Frostmourne instead of this? It's almost exactly the same size. So, yeah. Okay, let's give it to him anyway. Although it's bent, I will straighten it up. And there's the key. This is plastic. It's not resin. This is plastic, the sword in itself. Well, I almost broke it. And this, my friend, is Arthas Menethil, the statue. I will not go into more details with this statue. I think it's very nice. A beautiful statue, very small, but we will go into the details when we look at the full statue review in the third video. So thank you for joining, and I will see you in the next video, which is Arthas's lore and background story. Hope to see you there. Bye.